Welcome to VidMagnet. In this tutorial video, we'll be showing you how to integrate VidMagnet to your autoresponder application. So quickly go to the section where you have your integration. Now you have the option of selecting any of the autoresponder app here. For the purpose of this demo, we'll be showing you with GetResponse. So when you click on GetResponse, it brings out a pop-up where you should input your API key. Now, you go to your GetResponse account and log in. Click on Menu and select Integrations and API. Select API and copy this key here. If you do not have any key on your GetResponse account, you simply click on Generate API Key, select name, give the key a name and generate. So once you copy this, you go to VidMagnet and paste your key here and click on Save. Well done, your key has been saved.